Hello, my name is Andre, and I'm one of the facilitators for the Body Electric School. And I'm really excited about an upcoming workshop called Celebrating the Body Erotic. How often can you go into any sort of place and really show up as your authentic self? How often do we say no when we really want to say yes? This is really the 101 workshop for many of the other offerings that the Body Electric School has to offer. And in this workshop, we will explore many things and we will experiment with many things. We'll experiment with touch. We'll experiment with breath. We'll experiment with movement. We'll dance. We'll have fun. We'll invoke the spirit of playfulness in this workshop. We'll tell the truth to one another. What does it feel like to really touch my body? How does that feel? How can I really breathe deeply through things that maybe I want to breathe just from here up? We will say no when we mean to say no. And we will say yes when we mean to say yes. And how often do we confuse those two? So this whole workshop, and it's a weekend, it will motivate, hopefully transform, hopefully heal, hopefully excite, but mainly get you back into the body that you show up in every day. So if any of this speaks to you, I would love for you to show up to this CBE or any of the other offerings that we have through the Body Electric School. I look forward to seeing you, and many blessings to you.